Using a mobile phone while skating on the ice is dangerous to you and those around you. Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later. Forward inside glide is a progression from our 1 foot balance. Now, we're starting with a forward inside glide because it's the more natural of the two edges to balance on. We have spoken about the difference between the inside edges of the blade found closer to your big toe side of your foot versus the outside edges of your blade found further out towards the little toe side of your foot. Okay, so as we're taking our forward inside glide, it is the most natural direction for us to lean, balance and glide because we're going to be gently leaning towards the side of the body that has the free leg lifted. The wonderfully simple thing about this glide is really all we need to do is set up with a slightly curved path and follow the same process that we did for our 1 foot balance. So arms out nice and stretched out to the sides, a few steps to get ourselves going on a slightly curved pathway, prepare on 2 feet, slight unweighting of our foot that's going to be picked up and then gently. Simple.
So let's recap as we watch some demonstrations. Build a little momentum with a few forwards pushes. Take a brief moment in a number 11 glide on 2 feet before gently raising your inner foot. Throughout your preparation and balance, keep your arms outstretched and your eyes looking straight ahead.
Now, as we start to feel comfortable with that very basic balance on forward inside, we could try a second stage, a development of technique. So instead of just being square as we glide, we can take a slight opposition. That is to say, skating foot and upper body, opposite side. So I'm going to prepare my arms in a slight L shape, and if I look down inside of that L shape, I should see the foot that I'm going to glide on. And this would be our balance position for whilst we're gliding on that second development of our forward inside edge.
As we first execute this progression, it will be important to organize the L shape in the arms before we start to move. Make your goal to follow that leading arm as you proceed to your balance on 1 foot.